Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Alphabet's big new investment in artificial intelligence, Amazon's purchase of an AI wearable startup called Bee, and a new AI-powered device from Scotland that's enabling early skin cancer diagnosis in remote areas. Starting off with Alphabet's latest financial news, Google's parent company has just announced a significant increase in its AI investments. For 2025, Alphabet is ramping up capital expenditures by another $10 billion, bringing its total for the year to $85 billion. This jump is mainly driven by growing demand for Google Cloud services, which are seeing surging use of AI-powered features. Sundar Pichai, Alphabet's CEO, emphasized that these infrastructure investments are crucial to meeting the growth in demand from cloud customers. A lot of the additional funding is being channeled into building out data centers and developing custom hardware such as their tensor processing units. Financially, Alphabet is in a strong position. The company just reported a 14% year-over-year increase in revenue, now reaching $96.4 billion for the second quarter. Net income is also up, rising 19% to hit $28.2 billion. The standout performer here is Google Cloud, which saw its revenue jump 32%, now totaling $13.6 billion. This is largely credited to more businesses adopting AI-driven cloud services for everything from data analytics to machine learning deployments. Wall Street reacted pretty enthusiastically to all this news. Alphabet's stock price climbed almost 3% after the announcement, a sign that investors are feeling good about the company's approach to AI. Many analysts see this as a smart move that positions Alphabet well against competitors like Microsoft and Amazon, who are also making major plays in cloud and AI infrastructure. On social media, the tech community is weighing in positively, with several industry experts pointing out that bolstering AI infrastructure is fundamental for staying competitive in today's cloud market. Moving on to Amazon, the company just announced its acquisition of Bee, a startup based in San Francisco that's focused on AI-powered wearable tech. Bee's main product is a wristband priced at just under $50. The device is designed to listen to and transcribe conversations in real time, then generate summaries, create to-do lists, and send reminders, all accessible through its companion app. The wristband is packed with dual microphones featuring advanced noise filtering, and it supports up to 40 different languages. According to Bee's current specs, it offers more than 160 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is pretty impressive for a wearable. For users wanting more advanced features, there's a $19 monthly subscription. Strategically, this marks Amazon's return to the wearable space after discontinuing its Halo fitness trackers back in 2023. By acquiring Bee, Amazon is signaling a renewed interest in personal tech and a desire to make AI more present in people's everyday lives through wearable devices. The company is expected to integrate Bee's technology into its broader ecosystem, enhancing what's possible with Alexa and other Amazon services. Now, the always-on listening feature of Bee's wristband has sparked some privacy debates. Bee's official privacy policy says that users can delete their data whenever they want, and that audio recordings aren't saved, stored, or used for AI training. However, privacy advocates are still raising questions, especially given Amazon's history with data security. There's a lot of online chatter around this, with some people excited about the possibilities of a truly smart wearable, but others are voicing concerns about having a device that's always listening. Amazon hasn't detailed yet how it will address those concerns, but says privacy remains a top priority for the integration. Shifting gears to healthcare, a Scottish research team has just unveiled an AI-powered device designed to help diagnose skin cancer early, especially in remote or underserved regions. The setup is pretty straightforward. Patients use a compact, high-resolution camera that's connected to a Raspberry Pi computer to take photos of suspicious skin lesions. The AI model, trained on thousands of images, analyzes the photos right on the device. No internet connection or direct involvement from a dermatologist is needed. The big advantage here is accessibility. Because the device is portable, affordable, and works entirely offline, It can be deployed in areas where specialized medical care is hard to get. The AI's accuracy at distinguishing between benign and malignant lesions means patients in these communities could get earlier diagnoses, which is often key to effective treatment. Healthcare professionals and advocates have been quick to praise the device online, calling it a potential game changer for global health equity. There's a lot of excitement about the potential impact, improving early detection rates, reducing disparities in healthcare, and streamlining diagnosis in places where bandwidth or specialist access is limited. These stories highlight a week of rapid progress on multiple fronts. From massive infrastructure investments and bold acquisitions to transformative health tech, AI continues to find new ways to shape the world. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.